Hi, I'm Paul Salazar. Welcome to the Skylofts Luxury Building Unit 2001, centrally located between LA Live, Little Tokyo, Walt Disney Concert Hall, and the Broadway Theater District. Check out our latest listing. This southwest-facing corner unit with unbeatable views from every room is a true two-bedroom, two-bathroom split floor plan. The open concept provides a spacious kitchen with stainless steel appliances, breakfast bar, hardwood floors, and ensuite bedrooms with walk-in closets. Other amenities include motorized window shades, master bathroom with separate bathtub and shower, and a laundry closet. The Skylofts, which were introduced to the market in 2006, includes 24-hour concierge service, private screening room, fitness center, and social room. The side-by-side parking spots are conveniently located next to the elevator for easy access. Don't miss this opportunity to be within walking distance to the best shopping and dining downtown LA has to offer.